Prananth kraftipedia. Today I am going to unbox this Boya mic. Come, let's go into the video.
This is the outlook of the box. Now I am going to open it. First of all, there is a small plastic cover. Inside that there is a sponge for mic, 3.5mm to 6.3mm audio jack converter, a collar clip and a small battery for mic. And in this box there is the mic which is packed with a good quality leather bag and a user manual. Let's come into our mic. Its wire is 20 meter long, which is useful for vloggers. Now take this sponge and fix it to the mic. And also the collar clip, and press gently in the space given below in the mic. You can understand when you are fitting it. There will be a cylinder-like structure in the middle of the wire. Unscrew the top of that cylinder and insert the battery in that, and again screw that. Now I am going to connect the mic to my phone and speak. Hello. The audio quality is very nice. This is the back side of the box. If you like this product, buy the product using the link in description box. Thanks for watching. Bye.